heavenly sauce.
It's called Prahok Ktiss, Cambodian Prahok Ktiss. We put Prahok, we put palm sugar, we put
This is for
small
tomorrow.
eggplant.
Temple ceremony.
Ceremony is for the 100 days.
100 days. That's 100 days.
That's 100 days, yeah.
Make a lot of food tonight.
Right now I stir fry ground pork first. Okay, stir fry ground pork.
Maybe she needs some help. You need to step up. No, you need, the brother and sister need to step up and help her. Yeah, I got you. Oh, let a sock help out because yeah, help out stir that Prahok Ktiss. You look at Prahok Ktiss right there. Yeah, put in a sock here. That's the brother right there. Yeah, stir that. No. Eggplants, drop it in. You keep on stirring, make sure it don't burn that. They get more ingredient there. Oh, need Ron to come help stir. There you go. Let him take a turn. Come on. We need to pose this up and learn how to cook. Prahok Ktiss.
What is that?
Prahok Ktiss. Tell the brother. This is the brother right here. Prahok
This is
Ktiss.
called in Cambodia they say Prahok Ktiss. Start with the ground pork here.
Yeah. See?
Yeah. Just stir it.
Stir it and then look. We up here and that's our background right there.
Yeah.
In front of backyard it's the lakes.
Yeah.
Cooking right in front of the lakes. You know. Yep.
Oh, smelling good.
Smell good. Let's see.
Good.
Oh yeah. Huh?
Oh, yeah,
Oh, lobster too. We got leftover from yesterday, right? Yeah.
that's a snack. Yeah.
Leftover. It's still good though. Still good.
What else?
Ingredient. Where's our chef at? Chef, go get more ingredient. Keep on. Yeah. Yeah. It start to. Maybe we need to edit some music in the background or something.
Break out the ingredient.
There you go. So when you go back home, you can start cooking for the wife and the kids. Oh yeah, nice and cool day today. It's all the sundown and help stir right here. We need. Look at that. I think the fire is too. Well, it's just right. Yeah. Yep. Oh, we need to advertise some Heineken there. Maybe they do some sponsor for us or something. Inside, the property of pipeline clang pay đắng. Sometimes it's too high, but she wanted that way, so. Hey, chef, run away. She leave everything for you now. You're on your own. Now, hey, that thing have to be
Cut.
No cut and paste. You can